Welcome to GWM Malaysia's first big launch of 2026. Instead of multiple models, the company is focusing only on one today, which is the brand new GWM G9 PHEV. It's a long time coming, so come and join me to learn what the brand new luxury MPV got to offer for Malaysians out there.
The Wey G9 PHEV was first previewed in Malaysia as Wey 80 back at CLIMS 2024. Yup, a while back way! But of course, setting up a local assembly operation takes time, even if it is done through contract assembly. The locally assembled Wey G9 finally rolled out from the EPMB plant in Melaka last month. And GWM has also revealed that the first batch of the export unit from Melaka has just made its way to Thailand. Alright, time to move on to the vehicle itself. At a glance, the Wey G9 looks massive. Well, it is indeed the case. The Wey G9 is longer than the Toyota Alphard and Velfire, but it is still slightly shorter than the other PHEV MPV in our market, the GAC M8, as well as all BEV premium MPVs such as Denza D9, Maxus Mifa 9, Expert X9 and Zeekr 009. Interesting, right? The technology centerpiece of the Wey G9 is the Hi4 system, which stands for Hybrid Intelligent 4-Wheel Drive. The system features a front-mounted petrol engine that is paired with an electric motor, while there is also another electric motor on the back. The system is smart enough to switch between these three powertrains as well as two-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, according to the driving conditions, speed and settings. Powering the Hi4 system inside the Wey G9 is a 44.2 kWh NMC ternary lithium battery and 58-litre fuel tank. GWM claimed that the Wey G9 can deliver 1000 km of NEDC rated range, or approximately 850 km WLTP, while it can also hit pure electric range of 170 km NEDC, or approximately 145 km WLTP. Yes, before I forget, the Wey G9 supports charging speed of 6.6 kW for AC and 60 kW for DC. At the same time, I also would like to applaud GWM for fitting the newly released Michelin Primacy 5 energy tyres on the Wey G9, not tyres from some random brand. Right on! Inside the car, you will be welcomed by Nepal leather seats on the first and second row, while there's also the leatherette seats on the third row. For the cabin, the highlight is of course the two zero-gravity captain seats on second row. So no way! You can enable and reset the zero gravity mode with just a touch of the button. This captain seats also has massage and ventilation functionalities, which can utilize through the integrated control panel on their armrests. GWM has also provided folding small tables for both of these chairs, and the Wey G9 also has a built-in 12.5-litre heater cooler with adjustable operating temperature range of 0 to 50 Celsius. Great to store cold drinks or heat up those snacks during long balik kampung journey, eh? As for the tech sides of things, you can find two digital displays here. Of course, one for the driver and another one is the central infotainment display, alongside a 50-watt wireless charger, a 21-speaker audio system, and the support for wireless Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. If you're one of the first 1000 G9 owner in Malaysia, like our national treasure songstress Siti Nurhaliza there, you also get another 14.3-inch display to entertain passengers on the second and third row. However, none of the units shown at the launch event has this second display unit, so I don't know how it actually looks like at the moment. Meanwhile, the G9 also comes with 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera system, fully automated parking assistance, and a digital rear view mirror. Not to forget, it also has a full-fledged Level 2 advanced driver assistance system and supports the GWM app. So if you like what you've seen so far, the GWM Wey G9 PHEV has a recommended retail price of just under 270,000 ringgit. If you already have an existing GWM vehicle, you also get a rebate of 3,000 ringgit. Each G9 comes with a free 5 years of in-car data services and vehicle maintenance, as well as a free home wall box charger. The new plug-in hybrid MPV is also covered by a 6-year unlimited mileage warranty, and there's another separate 8-year or 180,000 km warranty for its high voltage battery, electric motors, and control units for those motors.
Alright, there you have it, a quick look at the brand new GWM G9 PHEV made in Melaka. So what do you think? Will you get this 270k PHEV over Alphard or Velfire? Let us know in the comment section. But before that, please don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And you haven't done so, please subscribe to soychinchao.com YouTube channel. Please stay tuned for more NEV content here at soychinchao.com. My name is Chief Chapree and I'll see you in the next one.